Well, what we're going to go through today at Money Stereo Installation, we've took the old 2.0 system out, which diamond on the high, Alpine in the bag, some Polk Audio Marine speakers, but they were marined out, some aquamarines, bunch of wire, you know, the lowers, all that stuff. So that's the old going out, along with a host of 6x9s that went with it. So they all dial at violent death. But the bike I'm about to show you is a ridden whale bike. So as you can deter from the details on it right now, that's just how you get out. Swipe to the right, you want to see how it came out. Fresh off the game, or my man D-Hawk gonna say off the dribble. As you can see, it's out of town. Los Angeles gentleman's in the house, and he get down pretty good now. We've upgraded him to 2.0 style, gave him the versatility of two situations in one. We're just gonna let the system do its talking. See what we got here. Hold on a second, pause this.
Make me wanna scream.
Amazon's in my video. So he is 360 around him.
All was not lost today. Your brown eyes converted me and let me know.
See, there's two hookups in one. As you just maybe or may have not noticed, we took out the bass. So when you're on the freeway, you doing the highway experience, because nobody can hear, with any scenario, nobody can hear the 9s in the bag. Product placement. But when you're on the freeway, nobody can hear them 6x9s. So what we opt out to do is to save your whatever's in your bag's life, we can mute that or turn it down per song. But when we get the show up and show out scenario, you're gonna give it what you're gonna give it. Or whatever song you want to use, you can put what you want on it. For example,
That you're the right girl for me.
that part right there. Once again, Money Stereo Installations. And for the new year, we in. You know where I'm at. I ain't hard to find.
So stop this mystery.
So once again, from Money Stereo Installation, welcome you into the new year. If you see what you like or like what you hear, hey, see me now, see me later, but I'll be here waiting for you, baby. Just holla. 650-906-8878. Click like and tell a friend. Gotta go.
I need you.